If you've ever felt like your CapCut timeline is too small, too crowded, or just hard to work with, this video is going to help a lot. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom the CapCut timeline, both with the built-in zoom slider and with a quick shortcut method that can save you a ton of time while editing. This is a simple trick, but once you know it, trimming clips, lining up audio, and making precise edits becomes so much easier. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, look down at the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll control the zoom. Now move your attention to the bottom right corner of the timeline. You should see a zoom slider there. This slider is what controls how much of your timeline you can see at once. If you want to zoom in, drag the slider to the right. As you move it right, the timeline becomes more detailed, so you can see smaller sections more clearly. This is really useful when you want to make precise cuts, line up transitions, or sync something perfectly with music or voiceover. If you want to zoom out, drag the slider to the left. When you zoom out, you'll see more of the timeline at once, which makes it easier to get a bigger picture of your whole edit. This is helpful when you're organizing longer projects or checking how clips flow together from start to finish. A lot of beginners don't realize how useful this simple slider is, but it can make editing feel much smoother and faster right away. If you're trying to be more accurate, zoom in. If you're trying to move around the project faster, zoom out. So remember, right means zoom in, and left means zoom out. Now let's go over a faster shortcut method. If you're using a mouse and keyboard, hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel up or down while your pointer is over the timeline. Scrolling up will zoom in, and scrolling down will zoom out. This is a great option if you want to adjust the timeline quickly without dragging the slider every time. It can also feel more natural if you're used to shortcut-based editing. Just make sure your cursor is on the timeline when you scroll, because that's what lets CapCut know you're adjusting the timeline view. One small tip here: if the zoom feels too sensitive or too slow, use a combination of both methods. The slider gives you more precise control, while the mouse wheel shortcut is perfect for quick changes. That way, you can switch between detailed editing and broad timeline navigation whenever you need. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to zoom the CapCut timeline using both the slider and the Ctrl plus mouse wheel shortcut. This tiny adjustment can make a huge difference in how easy your edits are to manage. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.